My favorite OBS is always gonna be a two-door Tahoe or Blazer for you Chevy guys. Behind me is one of the cleanest ones, and what I love about it is it's so simple, but there's so many extras that you don't see when you first take a look at this truck. Starting out right here. This is what drew me first to this truck. I've been wanting to do this for a minute now. I love the stock bumpers, pulled in, pulled back, and just tucked up. You get rid of all your plastic filler right here. The gaps are so much cleaner. If you look straight down right here, that bumper sticks out as far as that grill does right there. And that to me is the perfect fit for these bumpers. This is how GM should have done it in the beginning. Nice set of billet intros, and I just got hit by an acorn straight from the tree. I love all the spokes, man. It's not your normal 5-bar, 6-bar, or smoothie, man. I really think these look good, and it gives it that kind of sport truck look. The interior of this truck is just as classy as the outside. I love the speaker grills. What's crazy is those speaker grills with that factory handle and everything, that looks like an upgraded panel that would have came from Chevy. It still looks like something you could have bought from GM. We get to the rear, it's a barn door truck. I prefer barn doors. And the smooth bumper, man. I love the smooth bumpers again. To me, something GM should have offered. It just looks smoother, it looks cleaner. And this is crazy too. This is a Tahoe, right? Or Blazer. Look how low this thing is. Now, most of these we would see way up here back in the day. I like this because you can just see straight over it, man. Tahoes like this definitely make me want to get home and start building one as soon as I can.